Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to resize an image in centimeters in Microsoft Word for precise and professional documents formatting. Instead of dragging image corners randomly, you can set the exact height and width in centimeters to control the image size perfectly. This method is extremely useful when creating assignments, reports, forms, posters, and official documents where image must follow specific size requirements. So let's get started. We can see here assignment. Now I want to resize the image on centimeters. At first, insert the image. Go to the insert menu, click the picture option. Now I'm select the picture and click insert. Then select the image and go to the format menu. Click the wrap text option, choose in front of text. Then resize the image. Now you want to resize the image in inch. Obviously make sure that this measurements unit is inch. Go to the file menu, then click option, then go to advanced option, then go some down and find the show measurements units. Here automatically added the inches, otherwise you cannot select the inch. Select this inch and click OK. Then go to the format menu, then we can see here the height and width. Go to the more option, then you can log the aspect ratio, then resize the image. Now I make the size 6 and 4, then click OK. Now we can see we change the image size in inch very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.